Welcome back to another MobileSentrix Tips and Tricks Thursday. Today I'm going to be talking about this tool right here. This is an extremely powerful tool to have. This is a SuperCam X. It's an infrared camera, but it's a really good one. Today I'm going to quickly walk you through how to set it up and show you a couple of features that it has so that you can see its value and see if it's something that you want to add to your tools so that you can repair more devices. Let's get into the video. As you saw, setting it up was just a few clicks of a button. Pretty straightforward. It did take a minute or two for the computer to recognize, or at least the program to recognize the camera. But here you can see it's starting to register my fingers. I'm going to focus it here, get it to be more of a crisp image on my fingers. You can see it actually. I can adjust the temperature that it sees. The scale there, and it leaves fingerprints. You can see the heat, residual heat there. I'm going to get a power supply. We'll connect up an iPhone, and I'm just going to show you what it looks like when a phone boots up. Here, let's see if we can turn this on, and we'll go ahead and put power to it and power it on. Now I've got this set at a 3D instead of the 2D on the program on the computer, which means we're going to be able to see kind of an actual like 3D representation of the heat as the phone turns on and warms up. And you can see I can manipulate the screen here, turning it side to side. Now if there was a short, I would get a higher spike instead of it being kind of uniformly heating. You'd get a kind of more of a direct spike. So this could easily help you isolate a short when otherwise you'd basically be looking for kind of warmer spots if you were just using a 2D platform, which is still doable. It's just this is pretty cool that you could do that. And there you go. There's just a quick look at the SuperCam X. It's a phenomenal thermal camera. The detail that it can pick up along with the app, probably one of the best combinations of thermal cameras out there. The resolution, the detail, well worth it in my opinion. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. I'll see you tomorrow for another Phone Fix Friday. Thanks a ton for watching.